Welcome to Restore vlog number, I don't know, because it's been so long since I've updated everyone on what's going on, all things Restore Church related. In fact, it's actually been over a year since we moved back to California. And as I reflect back on the early days, I am reminded that at our first community interest meeting, these are the meetings where we invite the community, hey, come hear about our church, our vision, our purpose, where we're going. We had one person show up, one. And we're thinking, God, is this what you want from us? God, what's going on? But it turns out that that one person is one of our key people on our core team, still connected, and we're thriving together. It's always wonderful seeing God work, and sometimes hindsight is 20/20. And so during that time, we've done different events, like we're in the park where we'd have bubbles and the kids would come, and then we'd talk to the parents, say, hey, we got a new church starting up. Then we would also pass out flyers and do mass mailers and do social media content. And then also do a lot of just connecting with people wherever we are, being intentional in conversation. But can I say something about being a church planner? Being a church planner, you do things you never thought you'd really ever do. Like, I'm not a big fan of going around people's homes and dropping off flyers, because I don't want to inconvenience them. It's out of my comfort zone. As much as I love talking to people, as much as I love just being that loud voice and connecting with people, I love all of that. But going to complete strangers and passing out flyers or building those conversations, that's hard. So one thing I've been learning as a church planner is having to get out of our comfort zone, trusting God, and in that He's been stretching me, and Kaz as well, stretching us during this process as we plant Restore Church. So we've done a Thanksgiving event, I think we mentioned about that in vlogs, Christmas event. Then we started Bible studies on Sunday. Those Sundays became our core group. And then that core group then transitioned into Sunday morning services. And then we also have a Bible study now that we started as well on Wednesdays on Zoom. So every Wednesday from 6 to 7:30, we have a Bible study on Zoom. And this, and then on Sundays rather, we've had four preview services where we cast the vision about where we're going, about our purpose of who we are, that we desire for people to find and follow Jesus. That's what we want. Our mission is helping people find and follow Jesus. And when people come into the doors, we want them to experience radical kindness, radical love. And that's the sense that we're getting. We started from one person, and now it's growing and building momentum. But it all started with one person. Just blows my mind. So now we cast vision, we tell people about the church, and they're excited. They want to be a part of it. And I was noticing today after church that people don't want to leave. They want to hang out. They want to talk. They want to connect with one another. And there's a desire and a thirst and a hunger for people to connect with God and to connect with others. And so we are excited. We are optimistic about the future. And this coming Sunday, and here's the latest update, is our soft launch. Now, originally it was going to be our hard launch where we, send out all these mailers again, get information out, like just put it everywhere. And we're still going to do some of that, but it's our soft launch because we got a core team of men and women who are just doing amazing jobs with the children, with greeting, with community outreach, with service, with all sorts of areas that are needed for the church. And so what that means is we wanted more time for them to build up their teams and build up their areas there. So we decided to make this coming March 15th the soft launch. We're going to have a full band. We'll have the donuts and the coffee, but more importantly, we'll have people there ready to connect with people, love people. And people, when they come, they will be meted with extravagant kindness and extravagant grace. And that's what people are sensing, and that's why they're coming back, and that's why they're bringing others, and that's why they're hearing about us. This is the hardest thing we've ever done. This is the hardest thing Cass and I have ever done, is plant a church. So be praying for us. Thank you for those who have given financially. Thank you for those who are dedicated and wanting us to succeed. We appreciate all your support, and I'll update you more in the next vlog. God bless you.